How to screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you have to know that this feature is not available in all the Samsung devices but in only some of them. So if you have that if you have that feature available, you can do it. So in order to check it, simply drag down your note panel app panel sorry this panel right here, and then see if you have the option of screenshot. I have it, and now simply tap on it and it will screenshot the current page. But if you do not see it right over here, it might be hidden. So if you want to see if there is an option, simply tap on the plus icon and see if you have it in the available button section. If you do, simply tap and hold the button and then drag it to this panel and then select done. Now you will be able to screenshot. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.